From China.
Japan.
Sweden.
From New Zealand.
It is incredibly inspiring. I was sitting in the early session today and just thinking this is almost more information than I can absorb right now, and it's a little bit daunting when you think of all the challenges and but also all the opportunities.
We are at the crossroads as we speak of some phenomenal changes that are happening around us, and that they're happening every day. Because we are so overburdened with information and news, sometimes we don't see it.
But it's really nice to have a conference that is actually exactly relevant to the work that we do at the university, and to have so many people from different universities and also industry to be together in a room talking about this.